Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I am Alex.
And I am Linda. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Whether you are at home, at the gym, on your commute, or relaxing with a cup of tea, thank you for being here.
Today, we are tackling two expressions that even advanced learners sometimes confuse.
These two expressions both talk about the past, about things that did not happen, about imaginary situations.
We are talking about would have and would have been.
For example, I would have called you versus I would have been sleeping at that time.
Both are about the past, both are imaginary, but they work in different ways.
By the end of this episode, you will understand both expressions completely.
You will know when to use each one with lots of simple and clear examples.
Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced learner, this episode is for you.
Before we begin, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
Okay, let us get started. Section 1. The big picture. What are we learning today?
Let's start with the big picture so everyone understands the foundation.
Both would have and would have been come from something called the third conditional.
Don't be scared of that name. The third conditional is simply a way of talking about imaginary past situations.
Situations that did not happen in reality, but we're imagining what if they had happened.
Think of it like a movie in your mind, rewinding the past and asking, what would have happened if things were different?
If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. I didn't study hard, I didn't pass, but I'm imagining the other version.
If she had left earlier, she would not have missed the train. She did not leave early, she did miss the train, but we're imagining the opposite.
Now, within this imaginary past world, would have and would have been play different roles.
Would have plus a past participle talks about a completed imaginary action or result.
Would have been talks about an imaginary state, a condition, a feeling, or a continuous situation.
Action or state? Keep that question in your mind all through today's episode.
Let's use a very simple example to feel this difference right now.
Imagine you missed a party last night. Your friend tells you it was amazing.
I would have loved it. Would have plus loved, imaginary feeling or reaction, how you would have felt.
I would have been so happy there. Would have been plus happy, imaginary state, the condition you would have been in.
Both are imaginary, both are past, but would have loved is an action verb, and would have been happy describes a state.
Action or state? Keep that question in your mind all through today's episode.
Section 2, would have, what it is and how to use it.
Let's look closely at would have first.
The structure is would have plus the past participle of the main verb.
Would have eaten, would have gone, would have finished, would have said, would have known, would have called.
It's the same for all subjects. I would have, you would have, he would have, she would have, they would have.
In spoken English, we often shorten would have to would have. I would have called you, she would have known.
Never write would of. That's a very common spelling mistake. It's always would have, not would of.
Use one. Use would have in the third conditional to talk about the imaginary result of a past situation.
If I had known your number, I would have called you. I didn't know, so I didn't call, but imagining the other version.
If she had arrived on time, she would have seen the opening act. She was late, she missed it, imagining the alternative.
If they had studied, they would have passed the test. They didn't study, they didn't pass, imaginary result.
In these sentences, the if part uses had done, the past perfect, and the result part uses would have done.
If plus past perfect, then plus would have, that's the classic third conditional structure.
Use to. Use would have to express regret, something you wish you had done differently in the past.
I would have apologized sooner if I had known how upset she was.
He would have chosen a different career if he had followed his passion.
I would have saved more money if I had been more careful. Regret, the imaginary better version of the past. Section 3, would have been, what it is and how to use it.
Now let's look closely at would have been.
The structure is would have been plus either an adjective, a noun, or a present participle with ing.
Would have been happy, would have been a doctor, would have been sleeping, would have been waiting, would have been working.
Would have been is essentially would have plus the verb be as the past participle, been.
Use would have been to describe an imaginary state, feeling, or condition in the past.
If she had got the job, she would have been so excited. Excited is a state, a feeling she would have had.
If we had taken the earlier train, we would have been on time. On time is a state, the condition we would have been in.
If he had eaten breakfast, he would not have been so hungry during the meeting.
If they had practiced more, they would have been much more confident on stage.
States, feelings, conditions, situations, these all use would have been.
Use would have been to describe an imaginary continuous action in the past.
If you had called at 10, I would have been sleeping. Sleeping is a continuous action, ongoing at that imaginary moment.
If she had come home at 7, he would have been cooking dinner. Cooking was ongoing, in progress at that time.
If the traffic had been bad, we would have been sitting in the car for hours. Sitting, continuous, ongoing.
In these examples, would have been plus ing describes what someone would have been in the middle of doing.
It is the imaginary version of was doing or were doing, the past continuous, but in the conditional.
It is the imaginary version of was doing or were doing, the past continuous, but in the conditional.
Use would have been to talk about what someone's role, identity, or position would have been. If he had followed a different path, he would have been a musician. That would have been his identity, his role.
If she had stayed in her home country, she would have been a teacher by now.
If that deal had gone through, he would have been the youngest director in the company's history.
Exercise 5. The key difference, side by side.
Now, let us put would have and would have been side by side. Same situations, so you feel the difference clearly.
Situation 1. Missing a job opportunity.
If I had applied for that job, I would have got it. Completed imaginary action, getting the job, a result.
If I had applied for that job, I would have been so proud of myself. Imaginary state, pride, a feeling.
Would have got, a result that would have happened. Would have been proud, a state I would have been in.
Situation 2. Arriving late to a meeting.
If I had left earlier, I would have caught the bus. Completed action, catching the bus.
If I had left earlier, I would have been on time. State, the condition of being on time.
If you had called me at midnight, I would have been sleeping. Continuous ongoing action at that moment.
If you had called me at midnight, I would have missed your call anyway. Completed imaginary result, missing the call.
Would have been sleeping, what I would have been in the middle of doing. Would have missed, what would have happened.
Situation 4. A life path not taken.
If she had studied medicine, she would have become a doctor. Completed imaginary outcome, becoming a doctor.
If she had studied medicine, she would have been in university for many years. State and situation, the life she would have had.
Would have become is the result. Would have been in university, the ongoing situation or state.
Do you feel the difference? A completed action or result versus a state, feeling, or ongoing situation.
Section 5. Common mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake 1. Writing would of instead of would have.
Wrong. I would have called you. Of is not a verb. It can never follow would.
Correct. I would have called you. Always have, never of.
This happens because in fast speech, would've sounds like would have, but the written form is always would have.
Mistake 2. Using would have instead of would have been for states and feelings.
Wrong. If she had got the job, she would very happy, missing the verb been.
Correct. If she had got the job, she would have been very happy. You need been before an adjective.
Wrong. If we had left earlier, we would on time, missing been.
Correct. If we had left earlier, we would have been on time. On time is a state, needs been.
The rule is simple. If what follows describes a state, a feeling, or an adjective, you must use would have been.
Mistake 3. Using would have in the if clause. It never goes in the if clause.
Wrong. If I would have known, I would have helped. Would have cannot go in the if clause.
Correct. If I had known, I would have helped. The if clause uses past perfect, had done, always.
Wrong. If she would have arrived earlier, she would have seen him. Incorrect.
Correct. If she had arrived earlier, she would have seen him. Past perfect in the if clause, always.
This is one of the most common mistakes in English, even at high levels. Remember, no would in the if part.
Mistake 4. Confusing would have been doing with would have done.
If you had phoned at 9, I would have been eating dinner. I was in the middle of eating, ongoing.
If you had phoned at 9, I would have eaten dinner by then. I would have finished eating, completed.
Both are possible, but they mean different things. In the middle of versus already completed.
Mistake 5. Forgetting that would have been can describe both states and continuous actions.
She would have been tired. Tired is a state, an adjective.
She would have been working. Working is a continuous action, verb plus ing.
Both use would have been, but one is followed by an adjective and the other is followed by a verb with ing.
Section 7. Real-life conversations.
Situation 1. Talking about a missed opportunity.
Did you apply for that promotion last year?
No, I did not feel ready, but looking back, I think I would have got it.
Really? Do you regret not applying?
A little. I would have been earning more money by now, and I would have been doing more interesting work. Would have got, imaginary completed result. Would have been earning, imaginary ongoing situation over time.
Would have been doing, imaginary continuous activity in the present, the life she would have had.
Situation 2. Talking about a holiday that did not go as planned.
How was your trip to Italy? I heard there were problems.
The flight was canceled. We would have been landing in Rome right now if everything had gone to plan.
That is awful. What would you have done on your first day?
We would have visited the Colosseum in the morning. By the evening, we would have been sitting in a beautiful restaurant eating pasta.
Would have been landing and would have been sitting, imaginary continuous scenes, painting a picture of what was supposed to happen.
Would have visited, imaginary completed action, a plan that did not happen.
Quick review. Everything you learned today.
2 expressions, would have and would have been. Both imaginary, both about the past, both powerful.
Would have plus a past participle for imaginary completed actions and results.
Would have eaten, would have finished, would have called, would have passed.
Use would have for third conditional results, regret, blocked intentions, and logical deductions about the past.
Would have been happy, would have been a teacher, would have been sleeping, would have been working.
Use would have been for states, feelings, identities, imaginary scenes, and what someone would have been in the middle of doing.
Key difference. A completed action or result uses would have. A state, feeling, or ongoing situation uses would have been. Never write would of, always would have. Never put would have in the if clause. Always use past perfect had done in the if part.
For states and adjectives, do not forget been. Wrong, she would have happy. Correct, she would have been happy.
In formal writing, you can use inversion, had I known instead of if I had known.
Would have been plus ing paints an imaginary scene, what someone would have been in the middle of at that moment.
Final message. You are doing something remarkable.
Would have and would have been, two expressions that open up the world of imaginary past English.
With these tools, you can talk about regret, alternative histories, blocked plans, deductions, and imaginary scenes.
Native speakers use them constantly, and now you understand how they work.
Start today with 2 sentences of your own.
Write one sentence with would have, describe an imaginary result, something that would have happened if things had been different.
Write one sentence with would have been. Describe an imaginary state or feeling, how things would have been. Those 2 sentences will start moving this grammar into your natural speech.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more lessons every single week.
Leave a comment below. Write your 2 sentences. We read every single one.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.